How to accept message request without replying on Messenger. You can accept a message request without replying by following these steps. First of all, open the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Messenger account. Now, once inside the Messenger app, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard at the bottom right corner of your screen to navigate to your profile settings. Then once you tap on it, tap on the message request option available there. Now tap the chat you want to accept but don't reply. You just have to tap on that chat. So here I am tapping on the first one for the example. You can simply tap on any. We can scroll down if you have lots of message requests and tap on one. Now all you have to do is tap on the accept option available at the bottom. Now the chat will now move to your main inbox and the sender won't be notified that you have seen the message unless you open the chat again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.